Here is a very interesting question. Suppose a man is validly married to a woman under the Islamic law, which permits the man to have more than one wife subject to its requirement. Then this same man meets another woman and gets married to her under the Marriage Act, that is a court wedding. Has he committed bigamy? Now, this is where it gets interesting. That the Islamic law permits a man to be polygamous and marry another woman does not mean that he can now go and contract another marriage under the statutory marriage, which is a monogamous marriage, while the Islamic marriage is still pending and subsisting. Under Section 35 of the Marriage Act, a statutory marriage is void where at the time of that statutory marriage, either of the parties is already married to someone else under customary law. That is not the same person that they are getting married to under the statutory marriage. So in this case, if a man wants to conduct a statutory marriage and at that time the man is already married to another person, not this person he's getting married to statutorily under the act. If he's married to somebody else under customary law, that statutory marriage is void even from the beginning. Now, here's the twist based on the provision of the law. The law does not specifically state that this act is an offense of bigamy, but it is safer to say that that's the implication of this provision. If the law holds that that marriage is void at that time, then it is safe to say that if it is tested in court, that it will amount to an offense of bigamy. However, this issue is a gray area that has not really been tested in court, but this is the safer legal position to hold. Know the law, follow for more practical legal education.